What if your boss, your favorite YouTuber, or even your best friend isn't human anymore? These are AI clones, a digital human trained to replace you. They look like us, they speak like us, but they're not us. They can appear on video, hold meetings, sell products, and even become online influencers, all without ever existing in real life. And these AI clones are about to take over. The idea of creating a digital version of yourself used to sound impossible, but now it's becoming real through something called digital twin technology. A digital twin is basically a virtual copy of a person that looks and sounds almost exactly like the original. It uses artificial intelligence, motion capture, voice cloning, and 3D modeling to bring someone's likeness to life. Originally, the concept of digital twins was used in industries like aerospace and manufacturing to make virtual copies of machines for testing and performance tracking. But today, AI has taken it to a whole new level by cloning people instead of just machines. Companies like Synthesia, DeepBrain AI, and MetaHuman by Epic Games are leading this revolution. With Synthesia, for example, you can type a script and generate a video of a human presenter speaking those lines in multiple languages, without hiring a real actor or setting up a camera. DeepBrain AI takes it further, creating hyper-realistic avatars that mimic real human expressions and gestures. MetaHuman lets creators design extremely detailed digital humans for games, films, and virtual experiences. In short, anyone can now create a digital spokesperson or even a personal clone using AI. But with every powerful technology comes chaos. AI clones are creating massive ethical and social challenges that the world is still struggling to understand. The first and biggest issue is identity theft. Criminals are already using AI voice cloning tools to mimic people and scam companies. The second issue is deepfakes and political manipulation. AI can now create videos of politicians, celebrities, or ordinary people saying or doing things they never actually did. These deepfakes are spreading fast on social media, blurring the line between what's real and what's fake. This is especially dangerous during elections or public events, where a single fake video can change people's opinions overnight. Then there's the question of authenticity in jobs. Many brands and public figures are now creating their own AI clones to represent them online. CEOs can send their digital twin to attend virtual meetings or give presentations, while staying physically elsewhere. It saves time and effort, but it also feels unsettling. Ethicists and researchers are warning that we're entering an age where truth itself could be optional. What happens if your clone says something offensive or illegal? And if your digital twin keeps improving, at what point does it stop being you and start being something else entirely? Believe it or not, AI clones are already being used by companies around the world. For instance, DeepBrain AI has developed AI anchors, realistic digital news presenters used by TV channels in South Korea and China. These AI anchors deliver news 24/7, never make mistakes, and don't need breaks. Viewers often can't even tell the difference between the AI and the real human anchors. The biggest problem isn't just fake videos or scams, it's trust. When everything can be faked perfectly, how do we know what's real anymore? AI detection tools and digital watermarks are being developed to spot synthetic content, but the technology to create fakes is improving just as fast. Some countries have already banned non-consensual deepfakes and political fake videos. Others are drafting rules to label AI-generated content clearly. But the internet moves faster than the law, and there are still many loopholes that allow harmful content to spread before it's taken down. But it's not all negative. When used responsibly, AI clones have powerful benefits. They can make education and information accessible to millions of people in different languages. They can help businesses scale globally without huge production costs. They can even assist people with disabilities by giving them a digital voice or face to communicate online. Some companies are already setting ethical standards. For example, Synthesia only allows users to clone people with written consent, and every video made on their platform must follow a clear usage policy. Others are introducing AI disclosure labels. so viewers know when a video is generated by artificial intelligence. Still, the responsibility doesn't only lie with companies, it lies with us too. As creators, viewers, and consumers, we need to think critically about what we see and share. Just because a video looks real doesn't mean it is. The rise of digital humans is rewriting what it means to be real. Maybe one day your digital twin will give this very speech without you even pressing record. What do you think? If your AI clone can talk, act, and work better than you, what's left of you? Or would you let an AI version of yourself live online forever? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos exploring the future of AI.